Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Welcome to an IEVS home school. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English Nursery School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for class Nursery, and our today's topic is Tanween with double J from off to ya. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 9 and SW number 9. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will learn Tanween with double J from Qaf to Ya. That means from Qaf dui zir in to Ya dui zir in. So my dear students, let's start. At first, look at the board. My dear students, here I have written 9 Arabic alphabet or letters. Now we will learn Tanween with double J. Now we will put double J under the every alphabet or letters. Okay, my dear students, let's start. My dear students, you know that this is Qaf. This is Qaf. Now I am giving double J under the Qaf. This is Qaf, not Kaf. You have to pronounce this one. Now Qaf dui zir qin. Qaf dui zir qin. This is Qaf, not Kaf. And this is called dui noktawala Qaf. Dui noktawala Qaf. Now, my dear student, this one is Kaf. This one is Kaf. Now I am giving double J under the Kaf, and we have to pronounce this one. Kaf dui zir kin. Kaf dui zir kin. And my dear student, it is called Muddukhane Pechano Kaf. Muddukhane Pechano Kaf. Then, my dear students, this one is Lam. Lam. Now I am giving double J under the Lam, and you have to pronounce this one. Lam dui zer lin. Lam dui zer lin. Then this one is Mim. I am giving double J under the Mim. Now we have to pronounce this one. Mim dui zer min. Mim dui zer min. Then this one is Noon. Now I am giving double J under the Noon, and now you have to pronounce this one. Noon dui zer nin. Noon dui zer nin. Noon dui zer nin. Now this one is Wow. Now I am giving double J under the Wow, and you have to pronounce this one. Wow dui zer win. Wow dui zer win. Win. Wow dui zer win. Now my dear, this one is Ha. Ha. Now I am giving double J under the Ha, and you have to pronounce this one. Ha dui zer hin. Ha dui zer hin. Now you know that this one is Hamza. Hamza. Now I am giving double J under the Hamza, and you have to pronounce this one. Hamza dui zer in. Hamza dui zer in. Now my dear students, last one, and you know that this one is Ya. Ya has 2 drops. Okay, my dear students, I am giving double J under the Ya, and you have to pronounce this one. Ya dui zer in. Ya dui zer in. Ya dui zer in. Alhamdulillah, my dear students, today we have learned 9 Arabic alphabet. That means Tanween with double J from off to Ya. My dear student, you will learn, you will memorize, you will read at your home very carefully these 9 Arabic alphabet or letters with Tanween with double J. So my dear students, that's all for today. And today is your SW number 9, and you will make SW at your home from Qaf to Ya. Tanween with double J from Qaf to Ya, and like this pattern you will make SW at your home like this pattern. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.